Hello, it's Jay here again, and welcome to this announcement video. So, just to let you know, I've started a new series on Patreon. It's a Star Wars Battlefront clone tutorial. So, this series I'm doing as a thank you to my highest tier patrons who have supported me a long time. It's going to be exclusively for them for 1 year at least. So just to let you know, it's the highest tier only for 1 year. This series will not affect the video series on YouTube, so those of you following the fighting game tutorial series, do not worry, it's not going to affect that. But this is something I've had planned for a little while. I'll explain more in the Patreon video, but yes, this is something that's been on the back burner for quite some time now. So I know a lot of you may want to subscribe but want to see some videos first. So what I shall do is, once the series is further along, I'll do a montage of videos at a later date just so you can get an idea of the series. So I'm going to leave it there for this video. So again, thank you to the patrons. This is for you. And I shall see you all very soon in the very next lesson. So until then, as always, bye for now.